The main difference is the quality of effluent that's actually produced. So the septic tank will produce an effluent that's not really treated. It's quite high strength, and therefore it can only legally be discharged into a soakaway, so into the ground to be absorbed, whereas a treatment plant actually produces an effluent that is treated to a high standard, so with the right Environment Agency permission could actually be discharged into a stream or a flowing watercourse. So the difference effectively is the quality of effluent. The septic tank doesn't really process the waste, it just separates out. The treatment plant treats it, processes it, then discharges it.